everybody, so today I got my first squishy trade package. So, yay! I would show you the front, but I can't because it has our addresses on it, but she decorated really nicely. So I'm going to give you guys the first peek. Okay, so let's see. I got my replica Roti toast, but it's so soft and it smells sweet kind of, and it's so rising. Yeah, it doesn't smell like my squishies. It smells kind of sweeter, like, I don't know. Super rising. And then these are like this. 10. Okay. I really like this. And it's pretty big. It's like the size of my hand. But I know some of them are a little bit bigger. But it's fine. I like it like that. I've been wanting one for a long time. The next one I have is this fist bun. Slow rising. And there are a little bit of defects, but I didn't know about that. And there's like a licensing on the back, but I know it's just a replica of it. See right there. And this pink little one. But it's fine. I like it. The last one. Okay, so I've been wanting a Toyaki squishy, so I got this brown Toyaki fish. Pretty slow rising. It's not that soft though. It has a little strap on it. And you can pause it to read if you want. Do a little. Next thing is an extra, and is this little bun. And I do have one of these, but I did deco it, and I'm going to show you. Here's the one that I had before, and I tried to make a Minecraft slime, but it did not work. Oh my god. Not crazy. And here is the tank. Okay, the next one, she gave me one of the older pocket backs, and now I have 18 pocket backs. But pocket backs are like rapid fire extra X's. Can you stop that? I will have a video on my collection, but here it is. These are one of the old ones, and it's Malibu Sunset near Bath and Body Works. And I have one of, look, right here. Why? This is how they look now, like pretty much the same. And they say both say pocket back on the top. And then this one says back, but it does not say that. Thank you so much for that. It is used, but that is okay. Okay. Oh, I got some pens. Ooh, cute. Okay, so I got these gel pens. Pink one. And this one's pretty. It's multicolored. It's like green and blue and pink and blue, and then there's a little bit of purple at the end. And I will show you this paper. Whoa. I don't know if you can see, but it's like multicolored. It's really cute. I really like that. And then this one is like, it has sparkles on it, but it's black. I'm gonna see if it writes. Where's my black marker? Yeah, there is glitter in it. That's cool. Thank you so much. Oh, and these are all extras too. Oh no, that's my fault. That's my fault. I did that. Sort of. I didn't mean to. Okay, well, she gave me a little notebook, but it kind of fell. I did already open this because I had to open it with my mom. So, yeah. But see, it was like this, and I would like open it and write in it. Like I drew a little face. Oh no. But it fell apart. It's okay. Okay, I was gonna give it to my American Girl though. But I guess it's falling apart. It's okay. It's fine. So next thing in here. Oh, it looks like I'm drawing. It says, thanks for treating. Okay. My cat mushroom. I've been wanting one of these forever, like since I started collecting squishies. And it's super soft and it's pretty squishy. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. Okay. That was a trick. Oh, another pen. Thank you. It's yellow. Okay. At first I thought this was yellow until I looked at it and then... Okay, this is another trade item, and it is like rice cake, and I just wanted this, so I thought it was cute, and it's purple. I don't know if that's purple yet. Oh! So she sent me these American Girl doll stickers, which she also has on the packaging. And it says more American, and it says American Girl down there, that's fine. And it's super cute. This is another extra, and it's donut. Thank you. Oh, I did that. That's mine that I drew. And that is not it. I knew there was something else in here. Oh, I got it. I already looked through it. And this is so sweet of her. She gave me a little BFF charm. Thank you so much for that. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet because I don't want to lose it. But I will have it in a special place. In the latest. I'm not leaving it in there. I'm not crazy. Okay, so here are the trade items real quick. And the extras.